Hi, I'm Oliver.
And I'm Stuart.
When we moved here to the US from England 5 years ago, one thing we missed was sausage rolls.
So we thought it would be a great idea to bring you a very simple 6-step recipe to this British classic.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, Oliver, so we've just washed our hands and we're going to talk through now what ingredients we need to make around about 12 bite-sized sausage rolls. So what do we need?
So we're going to need some puff pastry, flour, sausage meat, an egg, salt and pepper, and some sage.
Nice, okay. So with the puff pastry, it's fair to say that yes, you can make your own puff pastry, but we'll make this really simple. So we recommend getting the pre-bought puff pastry, which comes in the packet. It comes frozen, you defrost it, and the first step is to flour. Let's do that. And we're going to roll it out. Okay, that's good. So we're going to cut this now into 3 sections. So Oliver. Excellent. Good. So then what we have is 3 strips of flour. Sorry, not flour. 3 strips of pastry like this. All right. So next we get the sausage meat, right?
Yep.
Okay. What do we do with the sausage meat, Oliver? A bit of salt and pepper, maybe?
Good. Yep.
And some sage. Good. Excellent. And a bit of sage. Move this out of the way. All right. Give it a good old mix. How's that feel?
Disgusting. Smells good though.
Right. Next step is
Going to take this and roll out onto the puff pastry.
Can I do one with you while we're...
Yep.
And when you lay it down, when it's rolled up, you lay it down in the kind of like the bottom third of the strip. How you doing, Oliver?
Good. Just trying to get it to equal length.
It's going to be a bit tricky sometimes. It's quite fat, your one.
Yeah.
All right, good. So we've got the sausage meat laid out in the bottom third of this pastry. So the next step is what, Oliver?
Going to crack the egg open and we're going to egg wash the sausage.
Okay, good. The egg yolk on the inside here acts as a good sort of sticking agent. Okay, so then we're going to roll it over, right? So.
Yep. So we're going to take this, and then what you're going to do, you're going to pinch it so it sticks.
Great, what's the next step?
So we're going to cut them into even slices.
Well, don't we do the egg yolk first?
Yes.
Do the egg yolk first. So we're going to egg wash these again. So obviously this now is going to act, well, it's going to help brown the pastry in the oven. The oven is now already preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So the next step is to make the bite-sized sausage rolls from these long strips.
Our dog Daisy loves these things, and we always save
yeah.
the manky ones for them.
So as Oliver does that, I'm going to now place these on the this baking sheet, which we've pre-greased. I'm going to place these carefully on here. Make sure you get those cut. That's perfect. So how many have we got here, Oliver? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's actually
24.
about 24. So we've actually made twice that. So obviously if you wanted to make 12, obviously just make them a bit fatter, right? But these are perfect bite-sized sausage rolls. Okay, do you want to lift them up and show?
Yep. So here we have our 24 sausage rolls.
Perfectly cooked sausage rolls. They smell great. So, I mean, you can eat them really, really hot like this, but it does hurt, obviously. So we're going to just wait for them to cool down a little bit. In fact, what we could do actually is probably put them in the little bowl here. That is how you make a sausage roll. In fact, we should probably just eat one just to show how nice they are. So let's just do it. You okay?
There we go.
All right, that's super hot.
Okay, maybe we should not do that.
I mean, we should recommend leaving them just a little longer, but honestly, if you want to make these sausage rolls, super easy to make. They are a classic. We love making them here. Really recommend you making them. They're awesome, and once you've made them once, I can guarantee you'll be wanting to make them again. But Oliver, thanks. Should we make some more?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay well. See ya.